Practices 6.2. Third example. In this example, two buildings are there facing each other in the opposite side of the road. Between the two buildings, a road is there. That is the length of 12-meter road is between two buildings. One building is tall, one building is small. From the height of the small building, that is on the terrace, a person is watching the top of the second building. So angle of elevation made by the person is 60 degree. So in the figure, this length AD is the height of first building, height of second building, that we are going to find height of second building. Then length BC is the height of the first building, which is given 10 meter, and distance AB is 12 meter, that is the width of the road, which is given in the question. So length AB is equal to 12 meter. Angle C is equal to 60 degree, that is angle of elevation from the top of the first building, which is 10 meter high. Angle of elevation is given 60 degree. So therefore angle C equal to 60 degree. Now by constructing EC perpendicular to AD, a quadrilateral ABCE which is formed is rectangle, because here this A angle is 90 degree, this E angle by construction is 90 degree, and opposite angles are congruent for parallelogram. Therefore quadrilateral ABCE is a rectangle, and in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Therefore BC equal to AE is equal to 10 meter, AB equal to EC equal to 12 meter. These both are the opposite sides of rectangle. Now we consider this triangle DEC. In this triangle, this EC is 12 meter given, and DE we are going to find. Both are the perpendicular sides. So again we are using tan ratio. So tan 60 is equal to opposite upon adjacent, DE upon EC. DE is not given, EC is given 12. So therefore tan 60 value is root 3. By substituting the value of tan 60, root 3 is equal to DE upon 12. 12 we are shifting to LHS side. Therefore DE is equal to 12 root 3. Now AD is the height of the second building. AD is equal to AE plus DE, that is it is divided into two lengths. E is between A and D. Therefore AE plus DE is equal to AD. AE equal to 10, DE 12 root 3. Therefore height of the second building is 10 plus 12 root 3 meter. This is the answer is given in this form only. So we are not supposed to put here root 3 y. Otherwise, if you want to put root 3 value and calculate, you can calculate the answer. But answer is given in this form only. Now question number 4. In this question, two poles are on the ground, straight in the ground, opposite to each other. That is, they are parallel to each other. The length of the poles are given in the question. One of the pole is 18 meter and another one is 7 meter. They are erected and their tops are fastened. Fastened means joined with the help of a wire. With the help of wire, the two poles are joined together. The wire length is 22 meter. Now we are going to find out the angle made by the wire with the pole. So in the figure, AD is the length of the first pole, which is 18 meter. BC is the length of second pole, which is 7 meter, and DC is the length of the wire, which is 22 meter. And angle DCE, that is the C angle, we are going to find. By construction, we construct the perpendicular from vertex C on side AD. So therefore this EC is perpendicular to AD. Quadrilateral ABCE therefore is rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. Therefore BC equal to AE is equal to 7 meter. That is opposite side of rectangle. Now total AD is divided into two parts, AE plus DE. Therefore AD is equal to AE plus DE. AD is given 18, AE is 7 and DE we are going to find. Therefore DE is equal to 18 minus 7, which is equal to 11 meter. So this distance is coming 11 meter. DE is equal to 11 meter. Now we are taking the ratio of DE and DC. So the ratio is coming half. This ratio shows that according to 30-60-90 theorem, the side opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. Now in this figure, this E angle is 90 degree, therefore DC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is double of the one side, or one side is half of the hypotenuse. So angle opposite to that side is 30 degree by 30-60-90 theorem. Therefore side opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. DE is equal to half multiplied by DC. Therefore angle C equal to 30 degree, that is angle made by wire with the pole is 30 degree.